Hello, we are Team 7104, Team Sports Hacks, and our project is an Android application called Pickup. Pickup is an application for users that enjoy playing sports and want to find people to play with. During Sprint 2, we implemented the host and join game features that are the backbone of our app. We are excited to show off the progress we've made and hope you enjoy what you see. To start, we are going to show how a user can host a new game. First, the user must log into the app. If the user doesn't already have an account, they can register one from the home screen. From the welcome screen, the user will click the host game button. They will be brought to the host game page where they will have a variety of options related to their Pickup sports game. For instance, we can select our sport. We have the options of basketball, football, soccer, volleyball, ultimate frisbee, or tennis. Let's say we want to play basketball. Now we can choose a location. The location is dependent on each sport, so for basketball we have three options: CRC courts, North Avenue courts, or Peters Parking Deck. If we wanted to choose a different game, say soccer, then the locations we have available are very different, being the CRC fields and the Burger Bowl. Let's say we want to play at the Burger Bowl. Now the user has to select a date and time. As long as the date is somewhere in the future, anything is valid. Users can register games very far in advance. The time is also very flexible, allowing up to the minute precision. Now the user can set the intensity for their game. We want to play like we're pros, so we're going to set it to 5 out of 5 stars. And finally, the user can select how many other people they would want to be there. So for soccer, we'll say we want teams of 5. Now if we go to our Firebase database, we will see that this game has shown up. This game has all of the parameters that we just set and is broadcast instantly to any other person using the app. Now, with another user logged in, we will demonstrate the Join Game feature. We'll start by clicking the Join Game button. Here, the user is brought to a page with a list of all active games that they are not hosting. You can see that we have two options, basketball and soccer. These games show the time, the date, and the intensity of the game. If we go to our Firebase database, we can take a look at the games that are active right now. If we take a look at the soccer game, we can see that there is only one player in the user list right now, and this is the player that's hosting the game. If we go back to our Android app, and we click Join on the soccer game, we've successfully joined the soccer game. We can see that it disappears from our list, and if we go back to Firebase, now our user's user ID is in the list. To show off some more advanced features, we first have to host another new game. Let's say this user wants to play tennis against someone. We'll play at Peters Parking Deck. Now we'll choose a date and a time. Set the intensity to 3 stars. And set the number of players to 2 because we just want to play one-on-one. Now the game is hosted. If we go to our other account and click Join Game, we can see that this tennis game has popped up. Let's join it. If we go back to Firebase, we can inspect the game and see that the capacity is 2 and that there are 2 players in the game. Games that are full do not show up in the available games list for other users. So if we go and we log out and log back in as another user, the expected behavior is that the game will not show. If we go to Join Game, it shows up as blank. This completes the demo for Sprint 2. We hope you enjoyed what you saw. Team Sports Hacks, signing off.